Hello guys, in this part we will try to finalize stuff to see how it look like at the end. So, as I mentioned, to create simple modeling is nothing but create an object out of boxes and planes. Like I created this book of this kind of modeling. Remember to keep it simple and copy the effects. So even for plants, you can just create multiple things from one piece of plane and try to copy some inside effect. Here I'm trying to create a simple clock to keep it on my desk. Just try to use your imagination about how you want it to look like or keep some reference on the side. So this part is going to be more about modeling, just this kind of details I want to mention to let you see. Whenever I have to create a model, I create it in a way that I can use it in the future. So I try to make it much cooler so that I can use it not only for my post, maybe I can use it for another project. I use my own items in multiple projects, so it makes it easier to create the setup, the room and everything that I wanted. Here I will show you the basic thing to create the model. After this, maybe we can go much deeper in this level, and then I will try to create a setup for a desk given much more realistic vibe, like a teenager room. I'm trying to create some simple details for the shelf near the bathtub, maybe a bottle of or shampoo or something to make it look like there is a place near the bathtub to keep bath product. I'm just going to add the texture of the carpet by creating a bomb, but I'm also trying to see the multiple choices of the texture. But sometimes the texture should be more realistic and also it should go with the shape of the object. So we will try to add and delete some texture to see which one it suits the best. So for now I can create the normal map, but I can also create the bomb effect which will give the vibe of the carpet. I was also trying to create some color just to match everything in the room, but at the end I just find the purple color it might look much better on the carpet. It's not about making it a girly bedroom, but it's gonna look like cooler color, just match the other colors inside the room. So for this carpet I will go with the purple color, which will complete the other object in the room perfectly. So this is what it looked like after rendering. So see you guys in the final part of this tutorial.